The text messaging part of Grower's Edge is very handy because every day I'll receive a text that shows me where the best local market is.
That's what I like about Grower's Edge too. It gives me the information I want on my smartphone so that if I'm not in the office, I still get the information that I need.
Good afternoon, welcome to Grain TV. My name is Cody Bills, this is Logan Burgess. Today is September 10th, and we had the market here kind of mixed, with corn trading up 1.5 cents, soybeans up a penny, and wheat in Chicago trading down 7 3/4 cents here. We did have ethanol production out today. It was an increase in 6,000 barrels per day production, so we're now up to 927,000 barrels per day. We also saw stocks increase. They increased up 348,000 barrels here to 18.02 million barrels. So we did see an increase in production, but we also saw an increase in stocks. I don't think that drove the trade too significantly. Kind of came in, for the most part, within analyst expectations. All eyes are focusing on the WASDE report here. What's the trade expecting?
Yeah, right, Cody. I think that was a big focus of today's trade. You know, we have seen very good ethanol production over the last couple weeks, but as you said, that's going to be a story for later down in the marketing year. All eyes are on tomorrow's report, which comes out at 11 o'clock Central Time. Take a look here at this slide. Basically, the left-hand portion is showing what the USDA projected for yield and production in their August report. And on the right here is the average analyst guess based on a poll from Reuters. And as you can see here, the average analyst is looking for corn yield to increase about 3 bushels per acre. And what that is going to do to production, traders are estimating to add about 250 million bushels there for 2014-15. If you look at soybeans, a relatively similar scenario. Traders are expecting about 0.8 bushels per acre added onto the soybean crop. Looking at production coming in at 3.88 billion for the upcoming crop year. I think the big focus, though, is going to be on corn yield. We remember that back in the August report, that 167.4 number was exceptionally conservative based on analyst expectations. Coming into tomorrow's report, we have some analysts up at 175. We have some all the way down at 168. So I think there's a lot of room there to see a volatile report tomorrow. Obviously, a lot of different chips are in a lot of different corners right now.
Absolutely. And, you know, when we look at the other news that will be coming out here tomorrow, we do have export sales earlier on in the trade. Now, I don't think this is going to really have much of an impact unless we had really shocking numbers. For the most part, analysts are expecting between 250 and 450,000 bushels here. 1,000 metric tons sold for wheat. For corn, we're expecting between 450 and 650,000 metric tons, and for soybeans, 750 to 1 million metric tons. So the bottom line is, if we have anything very hugely different from expectations here, it might move the market in the morning, but I think people are, for the most part, 100% focused on this WASDE report going into the mid part
absolutely.
of the trade.
And as we said, that's going to be out at 11 o'clock Central Time tomorrow. If you haven't taken a look at our great mobile trading app that we have here at Grain Hedge, you can visit us over at grainhedge.com. You can take a demo here tonight, and you can have live quotes going on your iPad, iPhone, Android, or tablet for tomorrow's report. If you have any questions about us or want help getting those futures contracts added to the mobile app, feel free to give us a call. Number is 877-472-4607. Thanks a lot for joining us here on Grain TV. We'll see you tomorrow for the September USDA WASDE report.